Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish chowder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of firm white fish, like cod or haddock, cut into bite-sized pieces. Also, have 4 cups of whole milk or half and half ready. We'll use 3 medium potatoes, peeled and diced, and 1 large onion, finely chopped. Finally, cook and crumble 4 slices of bacon for a delicious addition. Now, let's build the base of our chowder. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onion in a little bacon fat until it's soft and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Gradually whisk in the 4 cups of milk or half and half until the mixture is smooth. Bring this to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently to ensure it doesn't stick or scorch. With our creamy base ready, it's time to add the heart of the chowder. Add your diced potatoes to the simmering liquid and cook them until they are tender, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, gently add the fish pieces, making sure they are submerged. Let it simmer for just 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your delicious fish chowder is almost ready. Just before serving, stir in the crumbled bacon for an extra layer of flavor and texture. Ladle the hot chowder into bowls, and, if you like, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives for a touch of color. This comforting meal is perfect served with warm, crusty bread or your favorite crackers. Enjoy your homemade, easy fish chowder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.